Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best snowboard bindings. So let's get started. Number 7. BURTON Escapade Snowboard. The BURTON Escapade snowboard bindings are an excellent match for soft to medium/stiff snowboards and are designed for intermediate and expert riders. They provide good control and are comfortable and versatile. They use the Flex mounting system and are compatible with current snowboard brands. They feature dual density EVA, which minimizes fatigue and puts your feet into a natural position. The B3 gel cushioning is durable and won't break down following multiple impacts. They also have hammock technology in the ankle strap and a kickback hammock high back and super grip cap strap for added comfort and response. Overall, they're very adjustable and one of the brand's most comfortable bindings. Number 6. Union Juliet Women's Snowboard. If you are an intermediate or advanced rider, you may want to consider the Union Juliet Women's Snowboard bindings. The best things about these all-mountain bindings are they are affordable and provide a medium response with adequate dampness. They provide exemplary performance in various conditions and terrain and are adjustable, so they suit different riding styles. The bindings provide a stable connection to the board and deliver an immediate edge-to-edge response. Features include canted footbeds, Duraflex nylon base plates, and ExoFrame ankle straps, which are stiff, supportive, and durable. They have regular-sized mounting discs for instant board response and edge-to-edge power. Number 5. Union Milan Women's Snowboard. The Union Milan Women's Snowboard bindings are available in small, 4 to 6.5, medium, 7 to 8.5, and large, 8 to 11, and 3 different colors, so you're sure to find a pair that fits and matches your board style. These freestyle bindings have a loose truck feel and provide minimal binding to board contact. They are softer and more flexible than some competitor products and are ideal for mountain or park riding. They feature mini disc technology, which provides a more natural flex and freestyle feel. They include Forma ankle straps, which are comfortable, flexible, and padded. The bindings are also cushioned using fused vaporite, thermoformed EVA, and full-bottom bushings, which reduce vibrations. Number 4. Union Trilogy Women's Snowboard. The Union Trilogy Women's Snowboard bindings come in black, ash, powder blue, and rose, and in 3 different sizes. Users like these bindings because they are very responsive and can be used on various snowboards, making them quite versatile. These all-mountain bindings are great on the mountain, powder, park, and more. Performance-driven in all types of terrain, they have an immediate edge-to-edge response and provide a stable board connection. The 2020 model features an upgraded washer system to keep the ankle straps, heel loop, and high back solidly in place instead of loose, which was an issue with older versions. Number 3. BURTON Step-on Women's Snowboard. The BURTON Step-on Women's Snowboard bindings are a great choice for beginner, intermediate, and expert riders, available in 9 different colors and in small, medium, or large. They are compatible with all modern snowboard mounting systems, including 4x4, 3D, and the channel. The best feature is that they are quick release and are very easy to use. They also have an excellent turning response with a medium flex. These bindings feature a Flex full BED cushioning system that is comfortable and reduces foot fatigue. The step-on boot-to-binding connection has 2 points of connection near the toe and heel for maximum performance. Since the base plate is a single component, the bindings provide a consistent response on various terrain. Number 2. Union Force Men's Snowboard. Union Force bindings are the tried and true hero of 100+ day a year, all mountain treading, season pass holders. Built to handle whatever conditions are thrown their way, these bindings have been among the top go-to all-mountain bindings for years now, living up to their impressive reputation. Known for their bomb-proof design, the strongest heel cups in the business increase heel hold and provide minimization of drag. This means you can rest assured that none of that important force will be lost in your turns. Combined with the improved Duraflex ST high back and base plate, magnesium buckles, and grade 8.8 hardware, these bindings are built to last. Number 7. Salomon Hologram Men's. Salomon injected new life into their boarding gear by innovating a new binding system called Shadow Fit. The Salomon Hologram bindings are an intermediate and up freestyle binding that will also serve you well freeriding. The Shadow Fit system incorporates new support technologies that provide a great flexibility and support to give the soft freestyle profile, as well as the stiffness and response for hard charging, freeriding. It starts with the flexible heel cup that is one of the softest around. It envelopes your heel, transferring the movements ever so nicely. The EVA toe strap does the same, pushing your foot into the cup, assisted by a Kevlar wire like a vise, without any discomfort.